establish communication in our daily lives. How do we establish communication in our daily life? The main point is to return to yourself with full understanding of your body and mind. You know how some of you feel empty inside? I feel that because you don't have self-compassion, self-love for yourself. So now take a moment to practice self-compassion and self-love. Give yourself a pat on the shoulder, saying that it will be okay. A day will pass. No matter how hard life hits you, don't lose that softness to live life. And that softness is to remain calm. Keep yourself at peace. Your state of mind full of mindfulness, full of love and compassion for yourself, so that you can learn to appreciate the thing you have and to really care for others. You have to be cool to lose your anger. You have to be cool to remain calm. That state of calmness, that is your state of understanding, and that is your state of self-love and self-compassion for yourself. Because no one is here to love you. You have to first make that first initial to provide love, to provide compassion, to provide the state of calmness in your everyday lives. I hope you have what it takes for you to realize the impermanence of all things, and you live life, but you don't really get stuck on anything. When we get stuck on our perception, on our view, it's hard to let go. So now is the moment to pause and return to yourself, to make the best out of your life, to see that everything here is beautiful and our mind can be beautiful. So take care of yourself. Keep your body in healthy condition and keep your mind in the state of calmness, peace, and bliss. The state of awakening is all in us. The state of realizing the impermanence of life. Keep going. Keep moving forward. That's right. You can do it. You can be the best of yourself. You can be the hero of yourself. And this is your own bravery to live life, to have full of self-compassion, self-wisdom, to understand everything within yourself. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Smile and keep it fresh. Buddha love you, and so do I.